Issue 124, we're going to put these little vanes inside of the cowling here and then mount the exhaust cowl onto our reactor platform. Moving right along, just a few more issues left. Those last four, like I said before, it's plutonium, that crate that you saw in Doc's house, whatever he was living in, with the plutonium in there, wherever he had it. And I might do all four of those at once, just to make it, because it's kind of a bonus. Okay, what do we got here? We're going to use the MPs. These are all marked again, 1 through 3. Starting with 1 up top. We're going to use these NP screws. We're going to get this party started. Get it in place. Oh, all right. So what we're going to talk about tonight, we're going to talk about my Bronco order. Yeah, you didn't know you were coming here for that. And I'll probably talk. I missed the hole. I'm messing around here. I missed the hole. Dang it. Okay. Anyway, I might do a separate vid on it later. Rant. I don't know if it's really a rant, or technically should be kind of happy, but I'm not. Ordered mine, placed my order back in 2020, and it's been bumped. It was bumped 21. I was supposed to have a 21 build the first year. It was bumped to 2022. All year went by, and here we're almost to the end where it's going to get bumped. And really, that's better for me financially, even though I'm really in need of a newer vehicle right now. The old truck that I have, my old 03, it's hanging in there, but yeah, we'll leave it at that. Trying to do what I can, keep it going. However, so financial, that's one thing, because we're in this freaking crazy time period. Everything costs more. I don't have that extra money. It'd be a real tight one. I don't have to put any money into Eaglemoss kits anymore, but anyway, what really has me frazzled is Ford released the 2023 model. They're going to have a Heritage Edition, which has better, cleaner lines on the. It has a squared off. I need number 2 vane. It has the squared off fender wells, which look more like the original, and it really changes the looks up on the Bronco. It's what it should have had to begin with. So once you see them, it's like, man, that's what it should have. There's little little tabbies there. You want to make sure there's vanes sitting on top of those. So that Heritage Edition has some other little key features, you know, white top, white grille, white dash, panel on the front, special interior, which I like. I actually like. It kind of has a plaidish look to it, which I actually like, because I'm into that 60s retro stuff. That time period, I dig it. I just dig it. So I like that look. And you're not able to order these things right now because they pushed out the ordering because they can't fulfill people like me, our reservations that we put in back in 2020. But if we get bumped, we're supposed to have priority. We're supposed to be able to get on the list to get that Heritage. And I was going to switch to a 2-door, so the cost would have been a little bit less. I think I was going to get the price guarantee. Long story short, I do the backdoor thing. I haven't heard nothing from the dealership, but I do the backdoor thing where I checked my order number, punch it into this link I got. You type it in there, and it pops up the Ford site, and it actually shows they have scheduled mine for production. Scheduled for 9/19. I don't have a VIN or nothing from the dealer, nothing like that. I haven't called them. They're supposed to call me, but I could call them and they probably wouldn't know anyway. I'm just kind of waiting to see if it's going to get bumped. I think there might be an outside chance it still could get bumped. But on the forums, people like to really, spin me up or whatever. Not hard to do. Telling me, yeah, once it's scheduled, you're going to have a VIN. You're not going to be able to switch. But I've seen people get bumped on those forums. They had like an August schedule, 8 whatever, and they've already got bumped. Several people, so they're bumped to 919 in my group, that I've seen. And whether or not that means mine maybe might still have the chance to get bumped enough where they just don't produce it. I don't know. It'd be better for me financially if I could push it out even if I could push it out another 6 months. Actually buckle down and try to. What I should have been doing the whole time was trying to put that same amount of money I would be paying on a car payment into that, but I had some other unexpected financial situation pop up. I know I'm still bad about spending that cash, spending all my money. Okay, we got that done, and let's double check our book here. So that's kind of my quandary right now. I'm kind of in a tuffle mentally. Then I'm having some things go on, with the VA, like I said before, and then work on top of that. Shoot, man, we're not here for that. We're here to chill, relax to the max. Give me a break here. We don't want to hear about all this craziness. All right, what we got? This guy is gonna go in here on the side. Tell you what though, if I get this thing done, I can move it over to its home. Got the top, hopefully that case I ordered will fit it. I think it's going to be really low because I couldn't get the one that I've seen on people get in the UK. Where is this going? This guy's go. This guy should go. Oh yeah, it's got to go in here. All these have to kind of line up as well. That's a crazy design, I tell you what. Ooh, there we go. That went in okay. Sort of. This don't seem to be lining up too well for me. Just looks like it's popped up. It's maybe the way it is though. Okay. What do we got? We got to do some FP screws here on the bottom. Hold this guy in. Oh, yes. Not that screwdriver. Where's my bigger screwdriver? Huh. I'll try it. I gotta hook up this other cable over here as well, and I think one more faux cable, and then we're done after we screw this part in. Yeah, another FP. I tell you what, Joey Cuz, did you ever get your kits? Did you ever get all yours? I think he did. I know he didn't watch or he's not doing the YouTube anymore, but I think he still watches some. Hector Cat out there, whatever your channel name is, you got like 500 channels. Who else is watching? Jeff Rooney, Ronnie's Games. Now that I've started naming names, I'll probably leave someone out. And that is a beefy screwdriver. Something a little bigger. Won't strip that out, but at the same time, I'm trying to suck that down. That's better. Oh yeah, that's much better. I don't want to break it, but dang, that's much better. Much cleaner there. I want to check these other ones. I don't get too carried away here. Yeah, I should have used this on a lot of these. Okay, now this little cable, you gotta go up in there. Ooh, and I think I didn't hook up this other one either. Yeah, I didn't. Kinda need a pair of I guess I could try to use these needle nose. Set it down. You're not gonna be able to see any of this unless I try to do it like this. Awkward. Ooh. There we go. I don't really like the way that looks, so I'm going to turn this, try to get this up a little bit maybe. I guess that's fine. These things just are a little bit too long, I think. Yeah, like that one's all crazy. Come on. There, you're home. That's fine. That looks fine. There's no reason to be all crazy about it here. There we go. Twist this a little bit. Yeah, I like the way that looks. Okay, this guy goes on this little nubby pubby in the back, and then it slips into that little hole. I say it slips into that little hole. Don't want to go in. It'd be naughty. Let's try it the other way. There we go. There we go. There it is. That's it. That's done for this issue. And two more left. Some cables and then some more vein action there, and then we put that on there and we're done. Thanks for watching. Boom.